It's time for a change, a big change. Today I'm going to be changing my hair color. I am sick as a dog and sore everywhere and just totally dead, hence why I look like complete garbage. But I'm here making this video because I want to try out the TIK Box hair color that I got at Hot Topic. It's the Porange color, kind of like a deep dark orange color with probably a hint of red pigment in there as well, mixed together. So I'm super excited to change, and my hair is getting to be faded. Some people have already said that's faded, and I feel like it has faded, and I'm kind of over the whole green hair don't care sort of ordeal. So here I am with my raw White Out Bleaching Kit, Lightning Kit, 40 volume. Don't get anything less. I don't know. This is what I've used since the beginning of time. This is the first one I ever used from Hot Topic, and it's been my main staple pretty much, and it works. Been using this for, I don't know, 10 plus years or so, ever since 2007. So do the math. I'm not good at math right now. I'm too sick to even care about math. Just tried and true product right here. And you have to have a shower cap with that one. You have to incubate your hair pretty much in heat, so it says. But I also got a shower cap as well from Walmart, something I can just throw away and not even care about. So that's what we're doing today. Fun times. You get a little mixing brush ordeal. It's kind of junk, but it's like whatever. Never really use it that much. It doesn't go through it. Unless your hair is like 2 inches long, it's not gonna work for this mess right here. You get all the conditioning toner. It's a purple toner, I believe. It's a purple conditioner, and it smells pretty good. I really like that one. You get the activator for the developer, and then you get a good old package of 10-minute bleach. You get gloves that I just dropped on the ground. Just wipe them off. It's been a while since I used it, and you get a booklet that I kind of just don't even read anymore because I've already been here, did that kind of thing. It's like, okay. I'll use it if I need it. You're going to need a bowl, but not a metal bowl. Something plastic that you don't really care about to mix it. I recommend like a condensed small bowl. Something glass or something ceramic, so that way it's easy to clean out once you're done, because plastic holds in a lot of like the smells from the bleach, and it's just not a good thing if you're going to eat out of a bowl that you used for hair color. It's like, just find something that you don't care about. Okay, well, I'm back with the bowl that I chose. Something ceramic, and I have a plastic spoon to mix everything because this thing is just garbage. It's pretty much garbage. And we're going to do the powder first, right here, the lightning powder. And I think we should open up the gloves first. And these are pretty cool. Oh, they're actually nicer than I remember, I think. Oh, wait, no. Same. Smell good. I don't know why I'm sniffing gloves. I can't really smell that much anyway. But hey, whatever. Put on the gloves for safety. We're going to open this up. Oh, you can see the dust. Open this up. We're going to take our bowl and pour the powder inside. Ooh. This is why you don't mix a lot of chemicals together, because of that cloud. Did you guys hear about that person who died at a restaurant because he mixed bleaching agents together and made like a cloud and he died? That's like super sad. We have our powder here. and we're going to mix it. Don't try to breathe that in either. We have our 40 volume activator right here and our spoon. Don't use a metal spoon, use a plastic one. And we're going to take our bowl and pour the activator in here. Try to get all of it as much as you can. Holding it away from our face, that's what I'm doing right now because I don't trust any of those fumes. But then I'm putting it on my head, right? We're stirring it into a creamy consistency. Kind of like cake batter in a way. Making sure it's all nice and mixed. This is why I like to do these things outside, because in a condensed area where there's not that much airflow or air conditioning, it can be pretty toxic to your nose hairs. So it's just not good. So I like to do these things outside. It doesn't mess with the air inside, and a lot more peaceful out here as well. You don't have to worry about invading someone's airspace pretty much. I think we're doing pretty well with our consistency here. This is kind of like a baking show video in a way. We're mixing it. Oh, you can smell it right there. Got knocked out. Don't worry, I'm being careful here, guys. Don't worry. We're taking some with our gloves and we're just going to run it through our hair. Taking some like so, like you would a conditioner. Making sure nothing spills, and we're just going to just go all over our hair. Making sure you got everything. Don't rub it into your scalp so much. Just mainly get the roots. Go through your hair, but try not to get deep on your scalp because it will dry it out. And you might get a chemical burn, because one time I had a huge chemical burn in the back of my head and it actually cut open my skin, so you don't want that to happen. So you need to be extra careful not to get too much in one area on your scalp. So make sure you're actually going through. See how I'm doing it? I'm not putting it on my scalp, I'm just going through my hair, rubbing it on my hair, but not going inside the scalp like you would a conditioner. And the fumes will be pretty intense, so be careful with your eye area because it is sensitive. So if you're sensitive to smells and your eyes are sensitive, this is going to be really intense for you, because my eyes already are feeling it, but I like doing my hair, so pain is beauty. So yeah, we gotta work kind of fast with this stuff. You don't want it to just sit around. And if you have a mirror, that's great. I have my tabletop mirror to help me, because you always need something to help you. Unless you know your hair really well. I kind of know my hair really well, but for bleach, you don't want to just chance it. You know what I mean? You want to have good coverage and make sure everything is well taken care of. I got the shower cap open. It's like an old grandma shower cap, but you want to make sure that your hair is in the shower cap. It's going to be uncomfortable, especially on the ears. You want to make sure that you got the back part too, because hair likes to come out, especially those baby hairs. This shower cap, I don't know. I think putting on a wig is more easier than this shower cap. And make sure all your hair is in there well. Back part is always the challenge, because for the most part people can't see the back of their own head, so it's hard to see what you have in there. Sometimes you just gotta feel around, I guess. Okay. Probably going to sweat to death for an hour, but oh well, whatever. hard to feel with these gloves, but if I take off the gloves, the bleach will bother my hands. So I'm like, oh my god, making sure the shower cap is placed well on here. So we're going to leave this on for about an hour. It says to like put with heat, but I've put like a blow dryer, or you like just hang out outside for like a while and the natural heat will incubate your hair pretty much. So I'm going to clean up a little bit and come back to you in about an hour to see what our process looks like. So wish me luck. So let's see what we get here. Well, I pretty much was outside the whole time while it was processing, so that way we get natural heat or whatever. So we shall see what we get here. And look at that. See, this is what I'm talking about. It actually does something, okay? I know I didn't get right here on the edges, but it's life. You know, those gloves are pretty huge, but holy cow. That's what I'm talking about. Well, the camera cut out at all the sweet parts. For my hair, I use the Maui Moisture Volcanic Ice Shampoo because it decongests your hair. So it's great for cleansing out impurities. Another one I recommend is the Tresemme Clarifying Shampoo and the Paul Mitchell Clarifying Shampoo. Those two work really well with these raw products. And then I washed my hair, and then I used the White Out Toning Conditioner, and that's why I have it on my hair right now under the shower cap. I used half the bottle, and then you can use the rest at a later time if you're going to keep the blonde hair, but I'm not, so this will just be there pretty much. I have to have this in my hair for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out. Well, I washed out all of the toner from the kit right here. Right now my hair is drying, so it'll probably take a little bit of time to dry because it's so porous and everything's still like fresh and new, so it's going to take time to dry. But once this is kind of like towel dry, sort of like damp, I'm going to basically just blow dry my hair as usual, kind of styling my hair while also drying it and getting it into the shape that I kind of want it to be, so that way I can apply the Arctic Fox hair color. So it's going to be a little bit of a process. Well, it started out as something that I just wanted to do for fun and but I really do need to change my hair color from this because the beginning of this video, Ho was alive, but now filming this part, he's gone, and I'm just over the blonde. I cleaned my hair, I re-cleaned it, had a face mask, so that's why my face is all peeling, because I was like trying to get things off of my face, so it's like peeling. Going to try to get through this video because first part was, it was just for fun. You know, it was just for fun, but now it's different. I'm going to put back on the gloves and color my hair with the Porange Arctic Fox and see how it works out. Listening to music and stuff, trying to like feel better. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, is like color my hair. It won't take too long, so sorry about the cut in video and tone, but when you lose like your son, things happen and change. So different putting on these gloves since the last time I had them on. Things feel weird, you know, but people change their hair color for a big change, and usually I just do it for fun. I haven't ever done it because something terrible happened. Even just holding the bag, it's like so weird. Changing my clothes and everything. It's just, it smells good. It smells like conditioner. It smells great. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic, I hope. Shake this up. You know, shake it up a little bit if I can. And I'm gonna just work it through my hair. Super bright orange, as you can see. I'm hoping that'll turn out cool. It smells so good. Shower cap on, so I'm going to wait about an hour. It says 30 minutes, but usually with hair color it seems to be like an hour or two for processing. I have the shower cap on like they said for best results. It says to like use a heat or blow dryer to like get the maximum results, so I might do that. I'm not sure. Overall seems to be good. The coverage is so far looks good, smells good. So far everything's good with it. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Manic Panic a little bit. So I'm kind of worried like with it how it's going to come out, but overall it seems to be good. I haven't used the whole bottle, so didn't feel like I needed to. Everything seems to be all fully covered. I guess if I need more I can just reapply it at a later time. So far so good. Gonna wait an hour or so, let it process, and then come back, tell you what I did, if I used heat or not, and yeah, should be good. This is how my hair turned out with the Porange Arctic Fox hair color. It's very great. It goes on super well. I did heat my hair off and on throughout the period of processing, which was like an hour. So within that period, blow dry the shower cap for like a little while until it got super hot, then let it cool down, and then heated it again. So like off and on, like whenever, maybe 5 minutes or so. And it just washed out like pure conditioner, so you can tell when the color is out. And when I washed my hair, nothing was on my hands, nothing got stained. I really wish Poe could see it, you know. I wish Poe was still around. I want to thank all of you for watching my video. I'm sad that it turned to something different, you know, like the tone and everything. I really recommend that you do check out the raw bleaching kit from Hot Topic, and while you're there also check out an Arctic Fox color for yourself. And I want to thank all of you for watching my video and being there for me, being here, you know. Without you, where would I be? You know, I love making videos, and it's a way of like talking to you guys and things. Like, it helps a lot making my videos, and I want to thank you for being here. And while you're here, please put a like on the video and possibly subscribe if you really want to. I'd appreciate it so much, you know. And while you're here, check out some referral links and affiliate links down below and some coupon codes. Hopefully pick out something nice for the holidays for yourself or someone special, because you never know where they'll be the next time you see them. You know, just hold on to the ones that you love and be there, you know. Give them a nice gift. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.
There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky. I hope you see